Hey folks, Russell here coming from the shop. Previous episode, which I'll link to up here, I talked about problems we had with Jeep CJ7 windshield frames. In the pre-cut for this video, you saw me cutting off that extra lip we had talked about. I've cleaned it up. We've already got the seal installed. The CJ and the YJ cowl seal has 9 trim screws that hold it in, as well as we ran a bead of 3M weather strip adhesive for the inside lip. I'll seal up the outside lip once we're installed, and I'm not sure what sealant I'm going to use on that yet. So we've got our windshield frame adjusted. The seal fits so much nicer. It tucks up nice the way it should, and it glued and screwed. And so now we're going to hang the whole windshield frame. So I'll get the camera set on a tripod and we'll get this mounted up.
So we're going to set it down.
No, I want you on the other side. So we're going to set it up there.
Yeah,
and
so we're
then
gonna set it down with the windshield on and then line it up with those.
And we'll line these up.
Do we have the screws over there?
I've got clamps, but we don't need those. I've got some screws in my pocket so I can get this side up.
And I'll
To
just
help.
if I can hold it.
You just hold your side. Yep. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Your way. 4. 4. Let's go back more. One thing up. Here we go. Hold. We will, once the windshield is set.
So after we've mounted it with the other set of bolts.
Yeah, once it's up, bolted in, adjustments made.
We'll undo
Yeah.
one side at a time or whatever.
Yep.
So everything else is already.
Yep.
Yep. This thing is the heat gun treatment.
Yeah.
We might actually do that.
Okay.
Set it
I'll
up.
get some more. 2 more screws.
You want us to tip it up
Yep.
all the way?
Oh look, it doesn't. It does what it's supposed to do. Look at that.
I take it I still need to support it.
Huh? Yeah, you still need to support it.
There's a reason why this thing has low gas mileage. It's because this is slightly upward of its actual angle, but only by like maybe a degree or 2. It's also kind of funny how close this windshield frame gets to the antenna. Didn't seal do it over there.
It's fine. It's not exactly what I expected it to do.
Which is
So it's
railway.
You know why I'm using the short handle one? I can't put too much torque on it.
Oh. You can also use the actual knuckle. Is that the knuckle one? That's not the knuckle one, is it?
Yes.
There's an even smaller knuckle one though.
Yeah, I don't have one of those.
I'm pretty sure we do.
Okay. So, take a razor, just trim that bit right there.
Oh, it's over to the actual other. There.
It's okay.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Right. So. Oh, we're not doing that right now.
What are we doing?
Huh?
Are we gonna set the windshield back down?
Yeah, we'll set the windshield back down. All right. Windshield frame's installed. The seal's not pinching. We're not getting any weird bowing like we were before. So I'd call this a success. Now I can fold this back down. We can finish up all our wiring, get the dash installed, the dash pad, get this back up, and then get our measurement for the windshield rake. But so far so good. Very pleased. So with slight modification, the current production of Crown aftermarket windshield frame for CJ7 does fits well, glass fits good. If I remember right, this is a Fairchild Corporation seal. I'll put a link in the description to where I got it. I think it was Amazon. The only other seals that I would recommend would be Precision Manufacturing. I haven't tried their CJ windshield cowl seals, but I have used their other seals on various other restorations in the past. I like them as well. So this is a Fairchild seal. I'll put a link in the description. Once again, if you like this content, go ahead and like, hit subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications, and as always, there's more to follow.